Hello, it is Monday, September 23rd, and we are starting this week, week 5 of our Creative Spirit course, a new project. Well, it's our final project, and today I thought I'd put together a little video to talk about this first assignment in a multi-step final project. So the first assignment, if you will, or the first step in that assignment, you will find in your week 5 content. Right, here's week 5, and we are going to put down just a little bit here, and here we are, Final Project Explore, we're calling it. So let's click on that and see if we can pull this up. Terrific, here it is. So it's a rather short assignment, but it is geared to get you going on the whole final project. So let's get to it. So first off, number one thing, I need you to identify 3 of the objectives of the Creative Spirit as noted in our syllabus. 3 of them. There are 6 total. You pick 3. And these will be 3 goals that maybe you want to explore more fully. Maybe you've already used them in one of your papers or in one of your other assignments. That's fine. Let's just pick 3 altogether of the goals you'd like to work on. Next, you need to explore a current example of a city-supported arts or entertainment venue, arts or entertainment area that is city-supported, that helps to define the identity or culture of the city or community, right? So let's find a city-supported venue. You could consider concerts that are given in town. You could consider public gardens, bike paths, museums, performances at Intrust Arena if you're in Wichita. Do a little research or maybe attend an event at the venue if at all possible. You don't have to. Don't feel like you have to put down a lot of money to go to something. But any city will do, any venue that is a city-supported venue. So what this means is that tax dollars somehow get contributed to that location, to the events that are offered there, perhaps. Some of you have been working on churches in your cities, in your communities. Those do indeed enjoy taxpayer support. At the minimum, most churches enjoy tax-free status, which means that they don't pay income taxes, and they may or may not pay property taxes. It sort of depends on the community, but for the most part, they do enjoy a benefit of being some call them 503c organizations. They are tax exempt in a lot of ways. So absolutely they enjoy city taxpayer dollars. Now they may not have to, maybe everything's not funded by the taxpayers. Maybe they just don't have to pay sales tax on their purchases. That's a form of support, right? So that's the goal. The goal is to explore a current example of a city-supported arts or entertainment venue or event that helps you to sort of identify the culture of the city or the community that supports it. Then identify 3 of the objectives for the Creative Spirit, as noted in our syllabus, that you'll want to explore based on this venue. That's all you got to do. So our assignment that's due on Wednesday the 25th, 2 parts. Identify a venue, make sure it's something that speaks to the city that it represents, something that is somehow enjoying community support, community financial support, and then identify 3 goals for the Creative Spirit that you think you can use to analyze, to address, evaluate this venue, this location. It's all due September 24th. Please upload that at Blackboard as Canvas as soon as you can. Can you tell it's the end of a long day? So thank you very much, and we'll speak to you again soon.